say o candidate say nya brea say bi obetima to man ni nyina na otima to no ye na wo ye peni na to na wo hwe no me ekoso na ka say obetena ase ama ka wo hwe se ka say follow previous year ka ade beto presidential December 2026. You can imagine say ka yetim say ya to December 2026 what would have happened to the party? Zebu ye penny now to na sa normal we nya scenarios we nya da wonim. Na wo kasa wo tena sia ma dede akoso a o party say na social media no untimi nka obi kasa bo anhye ne.
Yeah.
The nya se ne pako nya mic bi no nya camera bi esi ne. Na do person ka bia waka. Say ye nukro, say nye nukro. Waka wie. Enti wo betena sa normal we nyina mu ana say ade na ema dede ba party no obeye ne we ye frontem. And now NPP platforms what is will be a campaign ma Brian? What is will be a campaign ma Kennedy? What is will be a campaign ma Bawumia? And at least we have been able to establish and make sure say no my camp on our platforms
Unyini say abana berry you know e na there's no need for
me that was it. And say no you achieve your objective back wa say ntokwa na ekoso platform did no. Secondly, say a candidate here you know over 2 years say obetimi abo pro now one Ghana for abotremu no akotie nsem no mo kasa no cheche no mem dan say bia kai betwen ya December na sabi no yekokoko 2027 wonya mre ne sa anya sa no manya.
The target is to market him enough na say Bawumia nka so market am not on
the election bia no ha yebeka se yenton candidate obeto. Oh yes, I know my way near through. Say ya 12 year, you are Bawumia a winner. I saw dear Cassie a done so. Any party in penny force to say them catch you on no quite alone. And then the campaign to Omudina Chino cannot win us elections in 2028. Say be you are Bawumia on the chita for and no more campaign born to a man no. Omon quite a you musua. Omuntimi NG to me my NPP 2028. Na ira Bawumia o hwe ye to abani wie nya no ne nsema a woka ene ha o hia nkofobia cafe because ira atakane de okoye den wo ho ira kodon pianim ne penifobia office obi a o ne ni sound wo so no bakokoye no should tell you say you started some path bia ye say bia be kai ho abom. Na I'll be surprised say ya to abawie no obi ebeka sira Bawumia eta asumesi achi a odene ba for national na say obinti achi a odene call for region. Dr. Cash, it's normal in politics for people to take advantage of elections.
Okay.
And ultimately so kan say bi me na bia me campaign my Bawumia say me ko ba bia me message be na say ye nya ma yira Bawumia ba ye po obi obetima ko yira Bawumia obetina ko kasa en ye mo ba say nya sa ni pa na mo nto abama me.
Okay.
And no, let us not be hypocrites. Say be me nya na atwom people may use it but penny na odi anim no ne kasa obeka en na mo obetu no ebetima kire say be me di ato abama me me party penny me di say obi a party for be yi na ba bia no me ne be adwuma and that is the position of Ira Bawumia. What's I say? Then too. Ninyane say obekwa contest. Me mekwa contest. Obi obekwa contest.
Sure.
Contest now okono. Party structure no wo ho no should not be seen say ye chinchim confonsa to favor certain group of people.
But as we speak now, and only fear any concerns our grounds sisia ebiana keskin muntumi pa mun kanchero de omote wo fom ebiana kwakwan kan once because otiwezi on naso ahye ono so contest naso ahye keskin contest say obiani abreo but ebiana unya obi obeka no kre na kire but as we speak now yedin komo sisia fierce any trouble with that form sisia no regional elections time obeka no obi be ni tie pie obi hwe nipa no o Kennedy hu nipa obi be ni tie pie sa nipa no akwa deeper na champion camp mu den a o ye hu hwe nyeye now consensus fi akire ba ne say and the fear and say Bawumia nkofro no be machination against all these people. To understand say ne be travel to parliamentary candidature so be call MPs no so.
You see, there can so let me then say a perception. Idea will be free say bit messy. But any reality in see say
o say obi
adwene mu policy ana obi nim
adwene chire on team say ebetumi
messy. You see, elections are.
You see, I don't want to mention certain names here because Abraham Okwa contest. No, I'm telling you, maybe after I'll have one-on-one talks with you. A man for be our year Jumama Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia tna na point any issues or mu raising no space ni na kire say omo year Jumama Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ahead of the 2028 elections they are going to be protected ebi so be call unopposed. That is the problem now.
Sebi menim omo ka asem no.
Okay.
And I mean ndi say omo ka asem no na be conduct elections no. Musa Mese General Secretary, we are the chief spokesperson for the party. We are the chief administrator of the party. And she said, "Benina and on SAS as never far."
Good.
Ono, will you be fair or you will be neutral? Many also be some question. What you say? If you say, and she say, "Yeah," and then may come back and want some her guidelines at the Abahan. Me you know, man, show you about me and him the yo. Say the party need ya two more national council no. Yanka say. Your guidelines no they are favor nipa A or nipa B. Your cat guidelines no 7 year we are. Na me chichi ma. Obetia say these guidelines were done without fear or favor for anybody.
For anybody. You share how the guidelines are better than Mrano. Ebe protected the innocent ones.
Yeah, me protect Obia.
What we are going to everybody.
No, me say be protection crab. What we are going to ensure say there will be free, fair, and transparent elections
from the reforms.
And the guidelines here deba.
All right.
On say be obi nyare no akobon ho ban. Obi nka say bia ohia mo bi. But what we can assure is say ye be we processes no. No obi okupe pass o pepa bia so ba ko gina bia no. Onya so pepa na ko gina. Ye be we no omo mbeto aba no ato aba na kase asumesi na so obenten ye pe no. What you say?
Sure.
Miss elections and nipa kwa omudi show mutimu say system ne mpemasem. We mpemasem ye bobo tiamen me fasa no mani adwuma.
Oh, okay.
Oh no
because getting in and say
that can say me
general secretary ni ye adwuma Bawumia
general secretary me call elections me boy.
Oh yes,
me call elections. There was in fact out of 16 regional chairmen 15 were against me. But me they can't air for two.
Yeah,
there was a perception said there was a perception said the government and the establishment were against me. But
the perception,
yes, there was a appointees in a campaign tiame. But you got to a benny no. Me message that me de call ye any campaign me ye no. And go for to abama me. And to unless say nipa kwa na call elections one need to wo.
All right.
Because say you're about me on back from me to abani bi. And you go for no to put them ho. Any a kwa be for so be cast ma chiro mo be to makoma so. And on be cast we dey pe.
Oh say ebia na about one ebia na ya to amohwe akukuam no afi ya chechire enti dia aka ne se wani Jasin Kodua ni aban ahwe the bullion van besi ho Jasin Kodua so me the bullion van
Dr. Cash and ebia o monitor elections ya nyina
stadium dey say na me wo ho
oh stadium dey Accra dey
oh yeah Accra dey me na me wo Kumasi na mo election bia ni amakwa na me ma ho da ni nyina me wo
recent elections ame ya ye bia no wa obi etimanya cause to complain. What I say because
na delegate nkomo no say obi enkoka obi no obi
oh there be say enkomo obi di no kokuom there Dr. Kai should be difficult for me as general secretary to come and say we are kasiwa elections ni yeko obi on the campaign message and you cannot stop people who say maybe use campaign message say minimum ntomame the way say you also not being fair.
Okay,
but at the end of the day no nipa na ometo aba no and that's all convince them say wo adwuma no betima yasin Dr. Cash but also but so politics there obi a okwan afa so eton the message
sure
obi ka say me na me tenten montoma me na me tietia montoma me na more resources a metimi de aboa mo me na madam for ne doctor or professor nti mo fa mo me ene de wot mi si ho kwan but say system na share side elections no be ka say bia o performs yes yan farmer ebi omo esom kwoto aban delegates ni akwose delegates ni delegates for akosem dia ene de wo kan dia legitimate concerns.
All right. But yen share reforms no na lawyer
se me ba ha ma me nya independence da de bia me ba na see ya Bob that no dey mo ahun me cash was say that cash timelines ne guidelines dey aba no ni nya a part of party reorganization ye ho hwe Dr. Cash you wo gidie se sa ehihye dey aba any guidelines dey aba se party fo nyina be boa me adi so a ebe boa ye nyina edi kan you say from 1st of March to 31st March ye membership registration dey benta
from
1st March to 31st March and say any political party bia no say brano bia ohu membership omododo say be ya ekina bi kura de kase ekwa abato abetima kase o ye nya start e kura de meaning say bia nipa say de omo mafa etosu biem ade konti a party na nya bre say yes ye membership ne say ebetima boa ma party no so in terms of finances so it imagine you because for raise concern say and a party like NPP ya intimi mobilize your resources intimi your program na dey bia be rely on nipa nkwa bi ho eno no say be rely on nipa kwana na say be ono be determine no my so ye and this membership registration na eba so no yes polling station be bia NPP eto aba wa o to o didi say we NPP ni mapa bia no if you first equal 31st no ese polling station executives NPP pinifo mo any electoral area coordinator any constituency for no omo ye ehihye se polling station bia bihia
okay
enti ebut maka say okay ye be am to aba aswa kravi enti me twen say electoral area coordinator any polling station executives no omo the time table ba say aswa de Sundays na ye bihia ye meetings no mo do time account the Sunday ni duru ha me wa party card all right me general secretary all right now so ese me come polling station ko tru me din
okay
after so bu o ha oni party card ni bi but person register
okay
oni so kwa wait ma ko tru din e wo ho o wi a enkanka o mo ni party card no odu ho a ekobia se o ka ho a otwa juice
exactly
social club cafe club ya no entobo bia yetwa NPP die no minimum 2 Ghana cedis.
Oh, okay. So when it's normal.
And see, afini na 24 cedis. To qualify to contest or so beto aba or elections beyond. So at least we try 1 year dues.
Good standing.
24 Ghana 24 Ghana cedis.
O say normal.
And no chair we are
guidelines now we here na.
Me can ba me point be asa make careful.
Okay, me ba you okay.
O chair we are. It means say aba beto no. Obetubi.
Okay.
Utre area so person original polling station or electoral area elections are and so obetima gina if you say we are member of good standing. Apart from say be hwe sampa we are party name mapa account. Now short code that you did try dues ni star 920 star 270 hash star 920 star 270 hash all networks.
Oh, okay.
Then your NPP mobile app. What you do is you know, obenya notification, that's obenya message. Message in Becca say, ABR Dr. Cash, your MPP registration number is ABCD. They no abe your MPP membership number.
Oh, okay.
And the brave person print to card biano. Or this number no constituency office or baby a printed cards biano.
Oh, okay.
Or make my pentam.
All right, okay.
Dr. Cash, you're rain you know. The party ni can say ye be ye polling station elections and nam say no maybe a cost in the past e dey abembu na ebufo buy no as much as possible be say isa no many near free ho
okay
it are free elections no mafia ne dey ye be try say be yi mafia na free kra
all right
e bi ne say the party ni can say polling station elections no yɛte abadwakuo bi a from polling station elections committees ɛnyɛ one na saa committees no yɛsɛ constituency executive committee any regional rep no bi hyia then 10 polling stations biara no ɔmbɛyi nipa mmiɛnsa a ɔmbɛto aba ɛwɔ saa polling stations wɔ na saa nipa mmiɛnsa no Dr. Cash ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo te constituency wɔ because ɛbra no bɛhu sɛ obi wɔ ha a ɔnte constituency wɔ no akɔ manso adubia no akɔto aba ntoro kaa wɔ hɔ no ayɛ no basaa owia no ɔdwane afiri hɔ yɛsɛ ne sɛ daabi wo a wɔ supervisor election na sɛ ɔte kurom hɔ bi na sɛ bi kɔto aba bɔ ne ne wie a wo ne kurom afɔ nɛtoɔ ɛna ɛtɔ so biom deɛ party ne sɛ ka ne sɛ ɔwɔ intention bi sɛ ɔbɛkɔ polling station elections ɔbɛkɔ electoral area elections ɔbɛkɔ constituency elections you cannot be part of the elections committee.
Come again.
Me say constituency executive committee any regional rep ɔmo na be supervise elections no or constituency but when it comes to the conduct see ekoto aba ɔmo be sha to aba ne pa ɔmo ne polling station for be share it will be a friend polling station elections committees ɛsɛ nipa miensa sa nipa miensa na ɛsɛ yɔn kɔfo ɔmo te constituency hɔ a enim so ɔmo te constituency hɔ sa nipa miensa deɛ ka ne sɛ obi ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ polling station elections obi a person call electoral area elections obi a person call constituency elections no all team conduct polling station elections
okay
ninya ne say we want to prevent interest because say be naturally say okwa kwahwe obi a beto so abade there's a tendency ne say you influence it
exactly
but the other can say obi a constituency officer no on call elections ni bia or right so obi conduct elections no
okay all right
then there can say on be members of the elections committee as will be a former party executive it could be former polling station former electoral former constituency former MP former parliamentary candidate opinion leader be or former MMDC assembly member be or obi assembly member be that sa criteria ne be right Dr. Kaj the party ne say can say sebi eto obi obu ha adwuma kra wo your polling station kwa wonim o friend na osime delegate on the day ne say NPP bra so say yekoto abayi flag bearer yekoto abayi parliamentary candidate yekoto abayi constituency executive or two wi awie yehwehwe na me ya adwuma o polling station okra yehu no in fact ebu okọ monte constituency wompo obi to Accra na so a polling station executive or constituency bi e wokumasia na say Ashanti region the party ne can say before say obo qualify so be polling station executive no e say o ti constituency wo in fact e say o electoral area ho na so party ne ti ase se sa hihye wa ye nyina no o fa be to say bi Aswa constituency on na me finti bi ho na me example say bi a mete Aswa Craview no it's possible say betima akoye polling station executive or Ginas if you say ofre Aswa Craview ko Ginas emuwa but then nyina yo sa constituency o sa exceptional cases ne the elections committee betimi ahwe and after so enam say Dr. Cash mafia ne NPP be hu bi ntie ye say polling station election bia no be ya esa at least mama 4 days notice say ebia eda say no ye ba beto aba Aswa Craview polling station ti munyina obi anda no so and a party ni say ka say polling station elections no esa ye to no between the hours of 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. and abane ye to na homache 4 a.m. and 2 a.m.
and 3
ye yefro and 3 a.m. ye yefro and ti say ebia polling station A mama time say anapa 7 to 10 eba betomo there if we are polling station B between 11 to 1 eba betomo there polling station C between 2 to 3 eba betomo there polling station D at least I notice
so like that
but above 5 ni clear ultimate for say kwakoto aba oba befoforo above 5 na ye wie
okay
Dr. Cash aka we nyina no party ne the 2 additional positions abeka polling station
me patro ne dey
eno ye polling station communication officer and polling station electoral affairs officer.
Wow.
Polling station. Dr. Kachi any abre. Na sa 7 positions no 2 ne beka 5 na 7. Party ne say 2 positions bi wo there. Polling station secretary and a polling station electoral affairs. Minimum qualification SHS.
Okay.